This is the Splash and Dash car wash facility located in Holly Springs, North Carolina. This installation had a previous USA Technologies type system set up. In other words, they had like 9 of them spread around on each of their machines. Locations, example right here, they have 5 of them connected up each individually for each car wash bay. Very, very expensive to operate this type of system. Then on top of that, they have vacuum and soaping machines here to clean your cars with. And they don't even have anything hooked up to that currently. It's just coins. All of this replaced with one VendaVolt selection machine that can select any of the 15 different types of applications here at this car wash, including, if they want, even to get a Coca-Cola. Currently, they have a very, very old change machine over here for 1 and 5, and then they purchased a replacement unit that did tokens and quarters, and they hooked up a USA Technologies to that to try to drop tokens and sort of like a halfway job. Whereas with one VendaVolt unit, it does it all. It replaces all of this obsolete technology that's at this car wash into state-of-the-art VendaVolt payment system. Simply by coming over and dialing in whichever car base bay that you want to use, 1 to 24. In this case right now they've got 15 of them here. And then swipe your card, insert your card, or tap and go with your smartphone, whichever payment you want, all in one central payment system. So as the card is inserted, for example, they select $1, you'll see on the little LED, it'll blink 4 times. If it's in the quarter mode, if it's in dollar mode, you get, for $1, 1 blink. And that would send that pulse over to the timers over there on the hand wash facility. This ends this video on the VendaVolt.